Stuck on the RTC connecting screen in Discord. If voice channels never load or calls fail to connect, you're likely dealing with a network-related issue. The good news is that the RTC connecting error is usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you several solutions that can help get Discord working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening a few websites or running another online app to confirm that your network is working properly. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and a wired connection to see if the issue improves. Next, completely close Discord and reopen it. If the problem continues, restart your router or modem. A quick network reset can often resolve temporary connection issues. Some VPNs and proxy services can interfere with Discord's voice connection. If you're using one, temporarily disable it and try joining a voice channel again to see if the error disappears. If the issue persists, try refreshing your network settings. Flushing your DNS cache or resetting network configurations can fix routing problems that prevent Discord from connecting properly, Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking Discord's connection. Verify that Discord is allowed through your security software and isn't being restricted by network rules. If you're the server owner or have permission, try changing the voice server region. Sometimes switching to a nearby region can resolve connectivity problems. And that's how to fix the Discord RTC connecting error. By checking your network, disabling conflicting services, and adjusting settings, you can usually restore voice connectivity in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully you're back in your voice channels without any connection issues. Thanks for watching.